So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Injective cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once the Robinhood app is opened up, which it is right here, go down to the bottom middle and select the magnifying glass icon. Then on this page at the top where it says search by name or symbol, go ahead and type in Injective. Ticker symbol INJ will also work. So once it's here, Injective, go ahead and press on it. Then at the bottom, press on buy. Once you're on this page right here, you can then type in how much of Injective crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then once you're here, you can review the order so you can see how much Injective crypto you're buying, the fees, the total cost, and if all looks good, go to the bottom where it says swipe up to submit, swipe up to submit the order that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Injective cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.